Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below because it is free just for today. You already know what's gonna happen if you come back tomorrow and you're not subscribed. That's gonna be $5, okay? Thank you, ma'am. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back and clicking on this video. So, as you can see from the title of this video, we're just gonna be talking about my hair. Yesterday I posted a snap with a few shots of my hair because I finally got it into this puff. And people were just very shocked because I cut my hair in May. I'll put a picture right here if you forgot what it looks like. And it has grown quite a bit in 7 months. It has grown pretty fast. I was expecting my hair to be at this length in like a year. So this is pretty good if you ask me. My hair was like half an inch long when I cut it. So a lot of people were like, how did it grow so fast? What are you doing? And every time I get those kind of questions, I kind of just ignore them because I feel like it wastes money to tell you guys this is what I'm doing to grow my hair. And I just kind of chalk it up to this is my genetic makeup. My hair just grows at this rate. What can I do? But I will say that I don't actually think that too much now because my hair wasn't always growing this fast. Before I cut my hair, it didn't grow this fast, or else my hair would have been down my back, you know? Clearly I'm doing something different right now that is helping me retain the length. So I think my hair does grow at a pretty average pace, but I'm clearly doing something right now that is helping me retain the length. I don't know what specifically it is, but I think that I'm just going to break down my whole routine for you guys because maybe there's something that I'm doing that I'm overlooking because it's just a part of my daily hair routine, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna spill my whole hair routine, I guess my hair growth routine, my everything, so you guys can pick apart what you think you could add into yours that might help you grow your hair as well. Maybe there's some hidden gems in my hair routine that I just don't think about because it's just regular to me, you know what I mean? So that's basically the point of this video. I'm gonna tell you how I grow my hair, but really it's just how I have been taking care of my hair in the past 7 months, which I guess has been growing my hair, you know? Like I don't want it to sound too like false hope-ish, you know? I'm very skeptical of hair growth products, but I'm gonna share with you guys what I've been doing and clearly I guess what's been working because my hair was not growing this fast a year ago, I'll say that much. But yeah, so let's just get right into it. I'll share with you guys all the things that I do, from the smallest things to maybe things that I think are more important, and you guys can pick and choose what you think you need to add into your routine and what you think is the magic hair growth solution. Just take it and do what you want with it, basically. So this is just everything that I have to offer and after this I have no more answers for hair growth. This is just what it is. Okay, so the first thing that is very basic in my mind, but maybe some people don't do it, I always sleep with my hair covered. You will never, since I've cut my hair, you will never, when I say never, you will never catch me without a bonnet or a scarf, something. Even if I can't find my silk bonnets or my satin bonnets and stuff, I will use a regular schmegular, oh girl, oops, just flew my eye. I will use a regular scarf like this. I don't even know what this is made out of. This is probably not any better for my hair than my pillowcase, but I can't have all that rubbing and scratching and on my pillow every day, you know? You won't catch me without a bonnet. As soon as your head is ready to touch the pillow, your head needs to be covered. Like that is just a big rule for me. I don't have to say anymore. There's no excuse. Like it's just, it has to happen no matter what. That's the first thing. Take it or leave it, I don't know, but I do it religiously. Okay, so the second thing is I deep condition every week, religiously. Like another thing that I have not skipped out on since I cut my hair in May. I have a deep conditioner that sits in my shower and I use it like a regular conditioner. I don't even use a regular conditioner at this point. I shampoo my hair if I need to, and I put in my Shea Moisture Strength and Restore whatever mask. I put it in there, I leave it in for like, let's say the 5 minutes of whatever I'm scrubbing my body, and then I rinse it out and that's it. And I use that at least once a week, maybe twice, but I don't think I have gone a week without doing that. And when I didn't have that, I would deep condition with, I think I was just using the DEVACURL conditioner. So I just did not skip out on conditioning. And the same with the DEVACURL conditioner. It is very, very moisturizing, so I'd leave that in for a few minutes and then I'd wash it out. So I guess the deep conditioning was more of a thing that I've been doing for the past maybe 3 months. And the first 3 months of my hair journey, I was just using regular conditioner and leaving it in a bit longer. Okay, number 3, I have been using Miracle Drops. I've mentioned this so many times in so many of my videos. I have been using Miracle Drops to kind of relieve my scalp and to grow my hair, I guess. I love the way it feels on my scalp. It's so soothing and relaxing that I find myself using it when my scalp is tender or sore, or just like when I remember. And I have been using them since September. Okay, so number 4 is I do easy non-invasive protective styling. I don't do crochet. I feel like the in and out of the, I don't know, I don't like doing too much. I just cornrow my hair and I put on a wig. That's it. Or I cornrow my hair and I put on a headscarf. I literally don't do anything that doesn't cover my whole head. Those are the simplest protective styles for me, and it leaves my hair alone for good amounts of time. Whereas before I would do like twist outs and just things that cause me to touch my hair a lot more than it needs to be touched. Okay, so number 5, I work really hard on properly moisturizing my hair. I just have naturally really dry hair, so I don't play with that anymore. I have scavenged through products to find the one that moisturizes my hair. Whether it's popular or not, I don't really care. I do what works for me. I don't always follow the trends that I see on YouTube or Instagram or whatever. There's a bunch of hair care lines that people are raving about, but I'm sorry, $36 for a bottle of hair lotion is not for me. I'm gonna be real. I will spend max 20 bucks on a bottle of leave-in conditioner. And that's a lot still. If I find a product that I feel like works for me, for that time being, I will use it. I will moisturize my hair. I spray water. I'm not scared of water. I don't play with that because I know that my hair needs it. If my hair is extremely dry, I will deep condition. I will put something in it. I don't just leave it alone and hope that it goes away. I don't moisturize with oils. I moisturize with moisture, like literal water-based products. That is that. Find what works for you and make sure you stick to it. Dry hair is never, ever good. So I really try to remind myself of that because I've been there and I've done that, and I'm not trying to repeat those mistakes, you know? So number 6 is minimizing my gel usage. I found that when my hair was a bit longer, I would do wash and goes consistently and I would use a lot of gel in my hair, and I feel like it dried out my hair a bit and caused a bit of damage. I'm not sure, but I use gel very sparingly. So when I do use gel for my wash and goes, I use the KINKY Curling Custard, and you guys know that is an all natural gel made with like marshmallow root and some other stuff. So it is very, very, very hydrating, and that is the only gel that keeps moisture in my hair without like crisping up after. But it keeps my hair moisturized, so I prefer that over Eco Styler, which dries out my hair. So okay, number 7, I try to use a protectant, and when I say protectant, I mean like a good oil to seal my ends or shea butter to seal my ends when I need to, because having my hair under the wigs kind of gets it a little bit dry sometimes. So I kind of just use something to moisturize it and protect my hair. If it's dry or cold or hot outside, I have something that's like kind of blocking it from being too penetrated by whatever weather is happening out there, you know? Okay, number 8, this is kind of random. I don't know if it works or if it does anything, but I do drink lots of water. I drink a lot of water in a day. This is my water bottle. It is 20 ounces, like 750 milliliters, I believe. And I drink maybe, I will say maybe 4 of these a day. I don't know. Water's always good. Water's good for everything. Okay, so number 9, I use minimal shampoo. I don't really shampoo my hair very often. I only shampoo my hair when I need to really, really clean it and strip it of everything and do like a good deep clean. But in that case, I usually use, like, if I really need to use a strong like clean, if I need to do a strong cleaning, I'll probably use a sulfate shampoo. Honestly, let me be real, I'll probably use a sulfate shampoo, or I will use the DEVACURL Build Up Buster. Yeah, I don't use shampoo often, maybe once or twice a month, I would say. Okay, number 10, I kind of just touched on this. Because I said I deep condition every week, you probably get the point that I do my hair every week. Before, I would sometimes neglect my hair for a while and it would sit there, it'd get dry, it'd get crunchy and get crusty and the ends would just get gross, and I would just leave it in a bun for a while. Now every single week I rejuvenate my hair some way or another because it just needs to be revived. Sitting under a wig for a week is a lot. So I usually take out my braids, I'll wear my natural hair for a few days, and then it'll go back under my wigs. But in that whole routine, I'm deep conditioning, I'm adding leave-in conditioner, I'm moisturizing, I'm adding water, I'm giving it life, I'm filling it back up, you know, I'm re-moisturizing it because the moisture does disappear after a while, even if it's under your wig. I do my hair every single week. Okay, so number 11, head massages every week. I mentioned that when I use the Miracle Drops, I do massage my hair. I do like once a week. So I use the Miracle Drops and then I massage it, and that's it. That's it. And then the last thing is that I have not touched heat. I have not touched heat once, and I know you guys probably don't either. I know that when my hair was longer, I would sometimes want to blow it out to do a length check and just have blown out hair. I love that look. So blow dryers are non-existent to me. Straighteners are non-existent to me. The only heat that I use is heat from a steamer or heat from a hooded dryer. So it's not like raking through my hair, it's just sitting on top and it's drying my hair. So that's the only heat I use. I don't think I will ever stretch out my hair again with heat. I really don't want to. It has just done too much damage to my hair in the past, and I really have to learn from that. So that is basically it for the things that I do for my hair. I'm really happy with it. So maybe some of these things are things that you didn't think of, or some things you don't do. Maybe you can incorporate it, maybe it'll help, I don't know. But other than that, that is basically it for my hair routine, my hair growth routine, I guess. And I'm excited to see what my hair is gonna look like when it hits the 1 year mark. And we're still 5 months away from the 1 year mark. Like, this is insane. I'm so happy. I hope this was helpful. Yeah, I just don't want to sell some hocus pocus. This is just all I do. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.